Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like mail, home, receipts and subscriptions. You're gonna have to tap on mail, then tap on the mail again. Once you do that, you'll see options like new mail, old mail, drafts, sent, scheduled, archived, spam and trash. Select drafts from there. Now tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you can select all. Then just go ahead and select delete from the bottom left corner and select OK, and you'll be able to delete drafts from AOL Mail. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.